How to link your Capital One card to your bank account. Let's get started. Want to link your Capital One card to your bank account for easy payments and transfers? It's a convenient way to manage your finances. Here's how you do it. Start by logging into your Capital One account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfer section. There is where you can manage your payment methods and link your external accounts. Look for the option to add a bank account. Capital One allows you to link your card to various bank accounts for easy payments and transfers. Enter the details of your bank account, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Confirm the addition of the bank account to your Capital One account. Follow any additional prompts or verification steps to complete the linking process. And you have successfully linked your Capital One card to your bank account. You can now use it for payments and transfers conveniently through the Capital One app. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily link your Capital One card to your bank account and manage your finances seamlessly. And if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.